Okay guys, so for the tostadas we have a couple of options. You can get the tostadas at the grocery store, or you can make them at home. And making them at home is of course more healthier. At home you can either fry them or you can bake them. So today I'm just going to fry them. What you want to do is you want to have a spatula just like this and some tongs so you're able to flip it over. You want to make sure that the spatula and the tongs are free of water, because if you don't, you're gonna splash a lot of oil. It's gonna create a mess. So also you want to make sure that your tortilla is free of water. To check the oil to make sure it's ready, I have a wood stick and you can stick it in and see. If you can see, it's bubbling a little bit, so the oil is ready. Slide the tortilla right in. And what you're gonna do is with the spatula, you're just gonna press it right down the middle like this. Just be very careful because it gets really hot. So you want to press down on the tortilla because bubbles start coming out. So you want to make sure that you press down right in the middle. And then we're going to turn it over. Be very careful. I usually like to put the pot with the oil on the very back burner so that it doesn't, if it splashes, it doesn't splash on me. It's nice and golden brown, and you just take it out. And what you want to do is when you take it out, you want to rest it such that the tostada is vertical like this so that the oil drips down. The next step is we're going to cook the meat for the tostadas. I got my pot on medium heat. I'm going to add some olive oil. To add 1 garlic clove. I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of chopped onion. I'm going to add I have a pound of ground chicken. You can also use beef if you want. This is ground chicken. I'm just going to smash it all up so it's add some salt, fresh pepper. So my meat is fully cooked. I'm gonna taste it for flavor to see if it needs any more taco seasoning or any more salt or pepper. It needs a little bit more salt. I'm gonna add a little bit more. I'm gonna add some more taco seasoning.
Okay, so now it's time to assemble your tostada. First, as the base, you want to put the beans, refried beans, the lettuce, the meat, the onions, the tomatoes, the cheese, the sour cream, the sour cream. This is American style homemade tostadas.